Day thousands of women have waited for. The FDA is reviewing the safety of a popular form of birth control after hearing from women complaining about the device. A day-long public meeting held at FDA headquarters in Maryland today focused on the safety of Essure, a small metal device used to permanently prevent pregnancy. 9 Your Side's Ricky Mitchell has more on today's meeting.
Dozens of women stood before an expert panel today to share firsthand what they say Essure has done.
I felt less like a woman, less of a human.
I couldn't work and can barely function as a mother.
My quality of life was severely diminished.
Essure is offered as an alternative to women who want to have their tubes tied. A doctor inserts a small coil made partly of nickel titanium alloy into each fallopian tube. The body then forms scar tissue around the coils. The FDA has received more than 5,000 adverse event reports involving Essure since the device went to market in 2002. Bayer manufactures Essure and says it sold more than 1 million devices worldwide.
Our assessment concludes that the overall benefit-risk profile of Essure remains positive.
A Facebook group created for women with the device has grown to nearly 21,000 members. Common complaints include chronic pain, bloating, and autoimmune disorders.
If this were men complaining of pain, bleeding, or sexual dysfunction after having a medical device implanted in their testicles, no doctor would question the cause.
Cecilia Bogle is from Tucson and also spoke today after she says her Essure device broke into fragments inside her body. She says she felt like they were heard.
This is the first time we've had this many women all together in the same room. So it's very emotional, and it's hard to see what these women are going through in person.
The panel offered suggestions to the FDA, like changing aspects of the labeling and collecting more data on patients with complications. At the end of the meeting, the FDA said it considers this a high priority issue and will consider all comments and recommendations before determining the next steps. Ricky Mitchell, KGUN-9 on your side.